This is a Haier S80 series Smart TV. Let's see how to set up the Haier Smart TV for the first time. First, plug the TV into a power source. Now press the power switch button on the bottom of the TV to turn it on. Now put the batteries in the remote. Now connect the remote to the TV. Press these two buttons together for 5 seconds and the remote will connect to the TV. The remote is now connected to the TV. Now select your language. Select your region. Click on Manual Setup. Select Home. Connect your TV to Wi-Fi. The TV is now connected to Wi-Fi. Now add a Google account to your TV. Enter your Google account password. Now you will need to allow permission from your phone, where the Google account is added. Select Accept. Select Accept. Click Allow. Click Confirm. Click OK. Select Skip. Now wait a few minutes for the TV to set up. Select Go to Google TV. Haier Smart TV setup is now complete. This is how you can set up Haier Smart TV.